Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Fahmia Zaidatul Inayah. You can call me Fahmia. I am from third semester of English Education Department in Al-Qolam University.
A few moments later.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make simple and delicious hot sweet tea. Let's get started. First, prepare the ingredients and tools. A glass, 1 tea bag, 2 until 3 teaspoons of sugar, and of course, the hot water. Now, we are going to show the step. Step 1, put the tea bag into the glass. And next, add the 2 until 3 teaspoons of sugar, depending on your taste. And then, pour the hot water into the glass until it's fully. Be careful not to spill it. Now, stir gently until the sugar dissolves and the tea color is evenly mixed. And it's done. Your hot water sweet tea is ready to enjoy. Super easy, right? And thank you for watching. Don't forget to try this at home. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friend. See you in the next video. Bye!